In today's video, I'm gonna change the maintenance box on the ET8550. If you want to see how to change it, stick around. Your boy will be right back. Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah, it's your boy Flex McKenzie in the flesh. Woo! Yes. So, as you all know, I have the ET8550. And the thing is, now I got to change the maintenance box. I keep using the power cleaning about 4 times or so. Plus, you know, I keep doing the nozzle check and all those things. So anyway, the maintenance box is full. And once it's full, you can't do any kind of printing. I think you might could scan stuff in there, but that's probably about it. But you can't do any kind of printing. So I went out and I ordered about 4 of them. So I'm gonna change one in it today. So I'm gonna replace it. So you guys could stick around and see how you change it. It's very simple to change it. But you know what I'm gonna say before we hop into the video. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, bing, and share this video. Drop your boy a comment, and after, smash that like button for me, yeah, so I could continue making videos, please. And also go to my website www.comfortstyles.com if you want to get some t-shirt makeup. You know, I have different kind of t-shirt up there. I got designed as pre-made already, and I also do custom. So hit up my website comfortstyles.com, and also don't forget, go check out for the #1 vinyl, one of the #1 vinyl in the world, the B-FLEX Gimme5. Go try. I believe you could also get a sampler for their website or whatever, or you could hit them up on Instagram and ask for a sample. You know, they're good people. And also go to Econo transfer vinyl. Very good vinyl. I also use their vinyl. Excellent vinyl. Econo transfer vinyl. Don't forget heat transfer warehouse. You could get your heat press, which I have a video coming up if I'm gonna do an unboxing of a heat press, a mug press. I have all of them I'm gonna unbox. So if you want to get your little dirty paws on some heat press, mug press, sublimation stuff, go to heat transfer warehouse. You get the Caesar vinyl. You could try it with the Waller cup vinyl. There's so many things you could get off of their site, and the prices are good. Okay, so go check them out. Heat transfer warehouse. That's what I said. Heat transfer warehouse. Link for all of this is down below. Now let's jump into the video. Okay, so I have 4 of them in here. Let me show you what one of them looks like. So this is what these little suckers look like. Okay. So I just hook it up to it, and the ink, because there's a chip on the side of it right here. So hook it up, it reads it, and then bam. So let's go hook it up. Okay, let me show you guys what happened when I turn it on. Right, hit the on. Well, it's not showing it now, but if I, oh, there we go. Look, see? I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. So it's telling me the box is full, basically. I said So I'm gonna change it right now. So let's change it, right? So open this bad boy up. So the box is right here. This is where the box is, right? Maybe I could use one arm and do it. So we just open this little latch right here. Open that, and like where the arrow is showing right here, that's all we have to do. Just pull it, basically. Just be careful, because as far as I know it's full, right? Put that to the side, and then we're gonna take the newer one. You know, take the newer one, and we just slide it in, close it. Let's go back to this right here, hit OK, it's done. So now it's checking. Yep, that's how simple it is to do. Alright, so what are we gonna do now? We should run a test print, right? No, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a clean. Okay, so right now it just said the power cleaning is completed. It's complete, okay? And it want me to wait 12 hours before I use it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to wait 0 hours. Let's just try it. Okay. Whoops. Yeah. This is a A4. This is the A4 paper. Okay. This is the small. Okay. So I'm gonna test it and see. I know they said wait 12 hours. They said wait 12 hours, but 12 hours. You got time for 12 hours? I don't. Let's go for... Okay. So this is where, look at this drawer. This is so cool. This came up automatically. As soon as it starts printing, it just goes, and and slides out. So it's printing now. One sheet. Now it might smudge. Why? Because I forgot to put the something right here. Wow, I failed. Okay, it's all done. Ooh, it prints lovely. Let's pick it up. There we go. I mean, it cut off on the end, but that's my fault. But the print came out. Yeah, it cut off, if you guys look right there, but that's my fault. But it came out beautiful. Look at that. See the white on it? Came out nice. Yep. Alright, you see how simple it is to change the maintaining box, and it print nice. The white came out, the color came out. I mean, I got it cut off because that was my fault. That was my fault on setting. So this is the old box. Now I guess the only thing this is good for is garbage. I don't know. I don't understand why they made it like that. Why can't you just empty out the ink or something like that? But I don't know. I guess I'm gonna. You could actually hear the ink inside of it. But anyway, that's the way you change out the box, and that's all I got for you. Thank you for watching. Like I said, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, share this video, drop a boy a comment. Box number, I'll put it right here for you, where you could go on Amazon and get it. I'll put a link down below of it. Okay, thank you again, and as always, I'll catch you on my next video. This is your boy Flex, and I'm out.